Hey everybody, this is Dave. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Holy Stone quadcopter. This model is the HS110G. First of all, this case is pretty cool. It's very lightweight. It weighs almost nothing. I'm sure we'll find some specs for you here in a moment. So it holds the whole aircraft fully made. It doesn't fold down like some of the DJIs do. So what do you have in here? So first thing you see is the quadcopter itself. 2 batteries. Extra landing gear up here. And then down the bottom is your remote. We'll look at that again in a second. In the pocket, there's some extra propellers and the instruction manual. The instruction manual has pretty much every language you can think of. Alright, I'm just going to pull out the quadcopter real quick. It is very, very lightweight. See the camera on the bottom is fixed, so no gimbal. You won't be able to move your camera. And for some reason it comes off. It's got a connector there. Maybe you can upgrade that, I don't know. So there's a power button. Let's put a battery in first. Should be all charged up. And here we go. All right, let's look at the remote itself. Antenna, phone holder, and then some grips fold out at the bottom. Feels pretty comfortable. It's very lightweight, very plastic feeling. So I've already had this out once. I'm going to take apart the propellers and take a look at it, because it was having trouble just hovering in place, and I want to see if there's something loose on one of these, and if these were on right. Oh, that was loose right there. That's loose. That's okay. That seems tighter. If I can get it to hover in place correctly, I think it'll work fine. The app itself worked pretty good. So what's in the bag? The drone, the transmitter, a drone battery, 2 of them. It says there's supposed to be a USB charging cable. There was not in mine. Extra landing gear, extra propellers, a screwdriver. This is for the propellers, and the instruction manual. Anyway, that's what's in the Holy Stone HS110G. It's kind of a commonly found item on the Walmart website. And as soon as I get some footage of this thing flying, I will post it out for you too.